they had Gucci makeup. And I feel like I am giving all kinds of soccer mom vibes. Hey, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Upsna, and if you are new, welcome. If you are a continued supporter, welcome. Today I wanted to actually go through, do a little get ready with me for a lot of products that I found at TJ Maxx. I've just seen more and more high-end makeup there. Not really sure how or why. I am definitely not mad at it. I was able to pick up a lot of goodies. Let's get right into it. We'll get ready and I'll show you some of the products. So the first thing that I want to start with is this Boscia Sake cleansing water. It was only $5 to buy this. So I was like, okay, I have to pick this up. Wait, this is a no rinse water, like, this is a soap-free, no rinse cleansing water. Use this on your face to remove makeup and you should be good. I'm gonna start with it today because I've been out all day. So it comes with this little pump, and what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to take the pump and then kind of press down on it until you get the liquid. Whoa. You don't need any soap or water, so let's try it. I had a little bit of eyebrow product, I took it off. Let's see how good it does with the mascara. Whoa, wow. Okay, not bad at all. So moving on, something that I was really excited to find was the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette. Guys, so this palette has been super popular ever since it's been out. I believe it's $49 or $50 on the Sephora website. So when I saw it at TJ Maxx, I was like, oh, I need to get this right now. The funny part was it was kind of hidden. Like, I was going through the palettes and I saw like this tiny little corner, and I recognized that writing right away, and I'm like, that looks like it's Kat Von D. Before I keep talking, I'm gonna go in with that second shade in this, so it's like this banana-ish color, and I'm going to set my under eyes. Hey guys, really quick interruption. So I really wanted to thank you guys for getting me to over 250 subscribers. Thank you, that is all thanks to you. And I wanted to do a little giveaway for this occasion. So for the past few weeks, I have been working with this company called Smile Brilliant, and they include a at-home whitening teeth kit. Now this at-home whitening teeth kit is as good as what you can get at the dentist, but at a fraction of the price. I've used it and had really great results. I wanted to share it with you all. And you get 15% off if you use my discount code UPSNAPICS online at smilebrilliant.com, or if you want, there is a giveaway going on right now. If you link down below, my blog post will have all the information on it. Go ahead and enter that giveaway. It is open to all residents in the UK, the USA, Canada, and Australia. And you guys have the chance of winning the entire kit, which is close to $200. So I wish you all good luck, and now back to the TJ Maxx haul. Anyway, so I'm looking through the stuff and I see like this writing in the back of the thing, and I'm like, wait a second. So I like pick it up and it was the Shade and Light palette, and I was like, no way, because this is so coveted, so popular. How is this at TJ Maxx? I got it for only $25, so pretty much half the price of what it usually retails for. I noticed actually with a lot of brands that I found at TJ Maxx, they had the older packaging because they're brands are recently coming out with new packaging but not new formula. I think it's a really good deal, so I snatched it up. The thing that I found was Makeup Revolution Iconic Pro 1 palette, and this is not high-end. This one was $5. Colors are super pretty in here. So you've got a whole row of mattes on the top, and then you've got a whole row of shimmers at the bottom. The shimmers swatched really well when I tried it on. The mattes, not so much, which doesn't surprise me because mattes are hard to formulate. And I also picked up these little singles from ABH, which were only $3 each. Usually they retail for about $12. So the first color I'm gonna go in with is Luna. So the shadow's okay. The brush is too small. All right, next I'm gonna go in with this brown shade called Drama. It has a really big mirror, which I like. So I'm just gonna put that in my crease. Honestly, for how affordable it is, that quality is really not bad. I'm gonna switch over to this one. It's called Smoke. I'm gonna use an ABH brush to put it on. So pigmented, wow. You guys see me holding up this little Too Faced bronzer. This one I also got at TJ Maxx and it was $10. It looked like they just repackaged the Teint de Soleil in basically new packaging. Nothing changed in the formula, but the only difference is instead of paying $30 for it like I would have regularly, I only paid $10 for it. The color that I first want to go over is this ABH single shadow in the color China Rose. And I'm going to take it and I'm just going to pop it all over where I put that concealer. I really like ABH because it's so super pigmented. Top notch stuff. Yes. Now this I was super surprised to find at TJ Maxx. They had Gucci makeup. Like, I didn't know A, that Gucci even made makeup, and B, what's it doing at TJ Maxx? Does it not work well? What's the story behind it? Online, this eye pencil is $32. I got it at TJ Maxx for $20. Inside, it comes with this little Gucci sharpener. Like, it's a little Gucci pencil sharpener. I love that's going right on my little mirror display. It has the little Gucci monogram all over it, and then one side is a smudgy side where you can smudge your eyeliner with, and then the other side is the actual eyeliner. Only shade that they had over there was 030 Midnight Blue. I'm gonna go ahead and put this all over my waterline. Very, very smooth the way that it goes on. The Bougie Gucci eyeliner is definitely a good product. I'm really makeup and conditional mascara. And so I was really excited to find this. This one's actually an affordable brand, regularly priced. So this one was $3.99. It says here compare at $5. I think it's like $5 to maybe $7 if you buy it regularly. So not bad. Let's see how it works. It's okay. Claimed to help lashes appear longer and thicker. Definitely does not make them appear thicker. It does make them a little bit longer. I'm just gonna say it didn't impress me a lot. I'm gonna use this for my contour today. I'm first gonna go in with this lighter shade. One thing I'll say, super pigmented. A little bit goes a really long way. Wow, it's really pretty. That's showing up really nicely for the lightest color too. Wow. It is quite a dusty palette. Yeah, I'm definitely super, super, super happy with this. Okay, for lips, I want to go in with the Too Faced Lip Injection Gloss. It was $12. I got it for $6.99. So really quickly, I really loved a lot of the products that I got today. First of all, the Kat Von D Shade and Light was great. The Revolution Iconic Pro eyeshadow palette. This one, like I said, it cost me $5. So even if 2 or 3 shades worked, I was good. And the 3 shades that I tried actually did work. So that one was good. Gucci eyeliner worked. Happy about that. My disappointment was definitely the Sleek Makeup Mascara. Definitely not something that I honestly recommend, even if it's cheap. Last one is the Too Faced Lip Injection Glossy that I have on right now. I think it looks really, really nice. I never, ever, 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 ever do nude lips. Audrey in the back knows, and I don't mind it. I actually really like it. All right, so that's everything. Leave me a comment down below letting me know if you have any good TJ Maxx finds. If you guys like this, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. I'll see you all later. Bye. And I've had the chance to work with them for the past several weeks. But basically,